Hello there guys, welcome to another United RC Bros video. We are about to do a speed run of 2 granites. One which I've repaired. You would have seen in our last video that I kind of snapped it in half on purpose after a series of very harsh bash sessions.
And we're also at a skate park which is just over there.
Yeah, we're going to do loads of jumps in there, see if we can get some nice jumps. And we're going over here to try and do a speed run first to see what we can achieve with these granites with our dodgy wheels.
Yeah.
So, let's get on with it. Are you seeing double? That was a close up. Man, I need a new wheel. Whoa! And it survived that. That was harsh. That was a flop. I broke my shock tower. Yep. I only just put that on. Flipping heck. It's close. That was funny. Just bounced off his front wheel. Hit the fence, so you nearly did it. Okay. And here we are fixing a drive shaft from his old big rock to his now new granite. It's going to cost him a lot to rebuild that. And here's my granite. I need a new shell, technically another new shock tower. But I've glued it for now. Going to tape it up, see how long it lasts. Probably not very long. And we'll go from there. It's alright, I'll duck. Right on the front bumper. You hit it dead on the front bumper.
The motor wires have come unplugged.
Well, that'd be why. You're not going to have any power if the motor wires are unplugged. Yeah, look at your wheel. Yeah, it sounds very screechy. So there's your foam. There's one thick tyre foam. There's a bench there. Unless you're making it try to take a seat. What was that?
Yep, feel that.
Bloody hell, that's well stiff.
Broken it.
Going for the jump again. That was harsh. You bent the chassis.
How's it not snapped? It's bent.
How did you bend it?
It's not snapped.
No, but it's bent.
Oh, freaking hell. Oh, I'm confused.
You snap your drive shaft in half, and it is slightly cracked there. How? How do you bend it? How?
Oh
How did you bend it?
I don't know. But clearly I did. I hope it goes straight back.
Flipping.
I reckon it will last. There's only a tiny crack. It will last. All I need to do is pull that out, push it back in.
Yeah, that's why it won't go back together, because this is there.
Yeah. That motor. Look!
You've actually popped the metal off the motor. And people thought I did damage to mine. You flipping broke the motor.
Oh my god. Maybe it might be fixable.
Well, you don't. You just take it apart to find out.
I've been out for 2 weeks, so we come out.
And break everything.
Said the sofa ain't gone back when it's broken.
Too late. You've almost snapped it in half. What are you
Don't
gonna
do that because it'll probably snap it. Talk about bashing.
How's it feel?
It feels like I've broken my car. I've got my money. This is my only car. The other one's like nothing.
Not anymore, it ain't.
I just need to.
It's alright, the Granite was my only car. And
Nah.
the shock towers broke.
I just need
Because I
to.
need to shim the diffs on the flipping Creighton and get a new diff out drive.
But even the motor's like pulled away from the mount.
That's going to be the thumbnail there.
So we can still drive it. I'm joking, I ain't doing that.
I just can't believe you bent it.
Look at it slowly straightening out as I'm undoing it.
Oh, it is as well. Well, it's definitely a lot straighter.
How are these arms? I don't get it. Everything around the arms are breaking now.
Tell you what, these RPM arms are ridiculously strong.
And you didn't think that they were. Everything around them are breaking.
What's the verdict?
Nothing. It's working. Looks it.
How do you know?
Because the magnets ain't shattered, it's not burnt.
Bearings?
They're fine.
Where's the back? Oh, it looks like bent this.
I wonder what that's
It
scraping.
doesn't look that bad. Slightly bent.
What's that scraping?
That's because the bearings will be in the right place instead of somehow falling down the side. So that's that done then, the motor's fine. You made yourself a drive shaft out of pieces we had from others. No use for your tyre foam. Be a hat. And
That's
you
like
lost
a
it.
fire. You know?
So it's pretty straight. Trust the old ammo. You just got to throw it back together. Yeah, we want to go down there a bit though first.
3.
lovely view of your wheelie bar. I'm waiting for you to overtake.
Oh my god! See how close it was to that tree?
Yes, I did. Holy crap. Right behind you. That flipped off the hill before I even went up it. I think mine's running mostly rear wheel drive. My shell looks sick. Oh, it's a pancake.
Stop from that end.
That was good. We crossed it about the same time.
What the hell did you smash into?
Bottom of the hill. What the hell? How? The front of the chassis broke. I don't even know how.
Really?
Yeah, the front snapped off.
Really? Oh my god!
Waited flipping like a month for this chassis. How's it broke already?
Oh my days. Might be able to get support or something like wheel spin.
Something ain't right.
Damn it, there's a defect.
Can't be right with a chassis.
No, I'm saying there's a defect. Alright guys, so that's the end of our bash session. So yeah, but yeah guys, thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed and like and subscribe.
Yep, see you next time.
Peace out.